My name's Derry White. I work in PVC windows for Vision Products. I started 16th of September 6 years ago in Vision Products in the windows PVC. I came started doing Vision Products through Job Centre through the training thing. They give me to contact Sandra Davis to start my apprentice scheme with them. Started with Vision.
My name's Sandra Davis. I'm Employment and Support and Training Officer. Vision Products is a supported business and is part of RCT, local authority. And we've got a wide range of services from PVC windows and doors to a refurbishment and collection system. And we put medical aids out to help people live independently. We also got 2 mobility shops. So there's a wide range of services.
I'm Adrian Davis and I'm the PVCU manager at Vision Products. We've got a few functions. Within the PVC, we've got the manufacturing, and we've got stores, we've got administration and surveying team, contract surveyors. So basically, the manufacturing, for want of a better, they make the windows. Profile comes in and they make all of the windows, and obviously put them all together through fabrication. And then we've got our stores team and logistics who basically stores will complete and compile a complete list of all the materials and everything we need to complete the windows. And logistically we can deliver out as well to site. And then we've got administration where we have a number of people in that team who do everything from invoicing to the preparation of all the installations and the design of the windows as well.
Right, we support individuals with disabilities to help them gain employment. We train them up and gain them accredited qualifications to go out and to get perhaps paid employment and a further career. Well, one of the routes into Vision is working with the special schools, the colleges and other providers, and we bring in people who got disabilities for an apprenticeship scheme. The criteria for this is you must be 16 to 25, you must be unemployed, not in training or school, actually NEET it is, and you will come in to work for us. You will then have a job coach who will work closely with you and they will teach you how to do the job. You will be paid for that job and you'll work 16 hours a week, 2 days a week, and it's for a year.
The apprentice scheme is a year apprentice scheme. I was fortunate to get onto it. Then starting it, they basically train you through machines. I was fortunate enough to pass they offered me a job halfway through my apprentice scheme to come off to have a full-time job with with Vision for the windows.
Okay, so in regards to progression and staff coming into Vision Products, I mean, I can speak from personal experience. It's a very positive environment to work in. And then what I would say is that in the time I've worked here, I've seen a lot of progression with people starting in one section of Vision Products and going across to another section, sometimes for promotion, sometimes for a variety of role as well. But I think the one thing we do in Vision Products is we like people to come in and learn about the full service, not just the section they work for. So there is a lot of that now, yeah. For example, one of our colleagues is coming to work with us in PVC now that has been with community equipment for the last couple of months. So he's got a permanent role in PVC now starting on the 1st of June. Okay, so this is the entrance to the manufacturing factory unit at Vision Products PVC. We're just going to take a little tour around some of the machinery in the assembly room, and I'll talk you through some of the machines when we're in there. So as we come in, Very clean area, always has to be health and safety conscious here. Obviously when they're working on the machines they don't have to have their high vis on or anything. And more often than not it's one or maximum two people around any of the machines here. So as you can see down in the far corner to the right hand side, that's where our initial lengths of profile come in that we actually make the windows out of. And I'll take you around to the saw now, which is the first machine that cuts the profile into the pieces ready to make for the windows. So we've got two saws here at the moment, one slightly older than the other, but obviously we can run two machines at the same time, cut in as many windows as we can and to fulfill all the orders we've got. After that's been finished, it comes around to the next section, which is the drainage area. Obviously the three machines are slightly different, and we've obviously got other welding machines and cutting machines here at the moment for V-notching, and then we'll take you through. Next is the reinforcing. We reinforce all of our windows, so the reinforcement is all cut here, placed into the windows, and obviously you know, normally one person working on that machine, but at busy times we do double up on there as well to get things through a lot quicker. Then it's across to the welding. So we have two welding machines at the moment, once again one newer than the other, one quite recent, but enables us to do a lot of welding at the same time. And then obviously the profile can all be cleaned then with the CNC machines at both ends of the room. Final process in manufacturing is where the beading gets put in. Obviously the beading will retain the glass in position when the actual window is fixed on site then. Next now we go in from the machinery side into assembly. So everything is passed through. As you can see in here as well, this is where we store all the final windows that have been made on all the individual trolleys. More often than not, there's a complete house on each trolley. So it makes it a lot easier when the windows are going out to be installed then. So final stage in here, in summary basically what you have in here is the frames and the sashes, and they'll all be assembled in here. All the workings and the handles and everything are put on in here. And basically the sashes are met with the frames, ending up with the finished product. And basically then we have the quality assurance at the end, just to make sure everything's perfect on the windows before they go out.
Right, you must be committed and reliable. We would expect you to be in work 100% of the time. If for any reason you're not in work, you'd have to phone up and explain to your manager why you're not in work, you're sick or whatever reason, as early as you can. We would provide you with training, and we would like to encourage you to take up training. It could be an NVQ or it could be something as essential skills training. We'd also expect you to wear a uniform at all times because you're frontline staff and you're going to go out in the community, and we would expect you to meet your work targets as best you can within your skill set. Yeah, we got plenty of training opportunities here that we offer our staff, and we also get funding so we can get staff training to help them with any career progression that they want. So there is a wide range of opportunities, training opportunities for staff that work in Vision.
One thing about the Vision that I actually do like is there's always opportunities to go on different courses. So if you want to always improve, you can always prove. With like with I dyslexic and I came in here, that Sandra and the team, the management have helped me to go on maths and English courses to improve that, and I've gone right up. All the boys are saying they've seen massive improvement. Machines like City and Guilds and all the courses like that. The forklift, I've been on a forklift course. You know, and all the counterbalance and combi lift and all that. So I've done all them, and there is so many more I can go on, and they're offering, they literally would like me to do them, and they are there to do.
Some of the job roles that we got on offer, a driver's mate, that would be going out in the van with a driver, delivering equipment into people's homes. Another one of our jobs is working in the factory in refurbishment as a production operative. That job, you're standing by a workbench and you're stripping down all the equipment that comes in, you take it all apart, you clean it, put it back together, and it recycles to go out to the customer. Another one of our roles is a production operative within the windows section of the factory. Here you will be working on machinery. There's also a job in the store's warehouse, and this will be to help and assist the persons collecting the equipment from outside and putting it onto the shelves, and helping the drivers do their runs for the day and put all the equipment on their vans.
The best thing about my job is the practical side of it. Every job is different, so you're trying to adapt to the different type of job, because not every window is the same. So it's all the different types of windows you have. So it's not like put them in the machine and off, no, just weld them normal. You got to make sure whether all the special drainage is the right way, and yeah, it's a lot of, we always got to keep on thinking, keep your mind always occupied, always on the go. So yeah, I like that side of it.